Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in making Siopao sauce. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have water, garlic, vinegar, cornstarch, brown sugar, soy sauce, salt and pepper. For the exact measurements, it's in my YouTube channel. Please visit my YouTube channel. So we'll just mix this and we're gonna heat it in the pan a little bit later. Now we'll do the mixing. Let's put the water in. Let's put the cornstarch. Mix it. Soy sauce. Brown sugar. And minced garlic. So we mix them together and then we're gonna cook this in the pan. Okay, our saucepan is hot already. We'll put the vinegar. We're gonna heat it up for 30 seconds. Okay. And then we will add the mixture we did a while ago. There you go. And then we're gonna stir it until it thickens. So till it thickens. And we'll have our sauce. Put a little salt and pepper, just a dust. Then keep on stirring until it thickens, and that will be our sauce. We'll be right back. Now, here is the finished product. It thickens it already, and this is ready. This is our Siopao sauce. Here is our finished product, Siopao sauce.